Ignore this and your CI/CD pipeline fails every Friday afternoon, leaving you to wonder why your automated testing and security scanning didn't catch critical issues before they reached production. A well-designed CI/CD pipeline is crucial for ensuring the quality and security of your applications, and integrating tools like SonarQube and Trivy is essential for achieving this goal. What it does: a CI/CD pipeline is a series of automated processes that take your code from development to production, ensuring that it meets certain quality and security standards along the way. In this scenario, we'll be using Jenkins as our CI/CD tool, SonarQube for code quality checks, and Trivy for container security scanning. The pipeline will automatically build, test, and deploy our application, with deployment gates in place to prevent faulty code from reaching production. Command example. Breaking it down, let's break down each stage of the pipeline. The build stage uses Maven to build our application. The SonarQube analysis stage uses the SonarQube Maven plugin to analyze our code for quality issues. The Trivy security scanning stage uses Trivy to scan our container image for security vulnerabilities. The deployment stage uses Kubernetes to deploy our application. The rollback stage is used to roll back the deployment in case of failure. The post section is used to define actions to take after the pipeline has finished, in this case, rolling back the deployment if it fails. Common mistakes. One common mistake is not properly configuring the SonarQube and Trivy integrations, leading to false positives or false negatives. Another mistake is not setting up deployment gates, allowing faulty code to reach production. Additionally, not monitoring the pipeline and not having a rollback strategy in place can lead to prolonged downtime in case of a failure. Try this next. To practice, try setting up a similar pipeline using different tools, such as GitLab CI/CD and Docker security scanning. Experiment with different stages and steps to see how they affect the pipeline. Pro tip: in production, it's essential to have a robust monitoring and logging system in place to quickly identify and respond to issues. Use tools like Prometheus and Grafana to monitor your pipeline and application, and set up alerts to notify your team of any issues. This will help you catch problems before they affect your users and ensure a smooth and reliable CI/CD pipeline.